over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to my fans on TV. Keep at your premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Stellenbosch 0. I'm joined by T55.
Hey, hoort maar nou zit.
I'm Natty T.
Au viva lam tutu, viva. Au viva lam tutu, viva.
Viva!
I once say lam tutu, always say lam tutu. Once say lam tutu, always say lam tutu.
Always. Li practice it again.
Oh, no.
No, practice it.
Wow, too late, man. Wow, too late.
Practice it again.
Wow, too late.
Are you trying to say I'm Lam Tutu? Are you trying to say I'm Lam Tutu?
No, you're not a lam tutu. The only thing that makes Abolam Tutu to be happy is when they see Orlando Pirates not doing well.
Yes.
While their team is drowning, dying a slow death.
No, VAR.
VAR. Olam Tutu, yabona kusasa inatural.
Sure.
Amakhosi.
Yeah.
Kazi.
Yeah.
We Sundowns.
Yes.
Amakhosi Kazi.
Yeah, we
Sundowns.
Yeah.
Mina vile angisithengi leso.
Yeah.
I don't have hope.
Yeah.
I don't have hope because the Chiefs.
Inamakhosikazi.
Amakhosikazi.
Yeah, we
Sundowns.
Bayobashaya.
Kabuhlungu. I don't see them coming to Sundowns.
Yeah.
Sasa Loftus.
But now they say into bayifuna.
No, let me tell you one thing. I think that was ukuthi into abayifunayo.
Sure.
It's because of wakhona ukuthi bangadla iMamelodi Sundowns. Maybe Sundowns has been mooring them. Now sina 4 years.
Yeah.
4 years. Now we are going to be 5.
Yeah.
Maybe Sundowns bamura elikini. Since Kaizer Chiefs yaqina ukudla iSundowns in 2021. Now we are at 2026.
Yeah.
Just do the math for me, my brother. So now they are coming in claiming good name. They are going to donate points to Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
No, there's nothing like that. Those guys, they are called free agents. They are not called free agents for nothing.
Yes.
Labantu labana bayaphakela nje. Labamba khona bayakhipha phela. Bayakhipha. Amakhosikazi.
Yeah, badliwa.
Bona bayakhipha. Labahamba khona nje bahamba bakhipha. Uyangithola. Bahamba bakhipha ukuthi umsebenzi wabo nje kuphela.
Bashaya.
Bathatha ama-player amahala bakhipha nama-points mahala.
Yes.
Khona manje ngifuna ukuthuma umuntu ewana nyele eKZN.
Okay.
Ayongicheckela ukuthi Durban City nama-trophy engakhi.
Yeah.
It's a Durban City.
Yes.
Inama-trophy engakhi. iDurban City ngesizini eyi-1 iyenze into ehlule iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi iyenze in 10 years.
Yeah, VAR. No, VAR.
In 10 years.
Yeah, VAR.
Durban City ngesizini eyi-1.
Yeah, VAR.
Balingana ngama-trophy.
VAR. No, it's a fact.
I'm telling you the fact.
It's a fact. No, it's a fact. Yeah, VAR.
Uyangithola.
No,
so uthatha kanjani ithemba lakho ulitha abantu abafana neKaizer Chiefs?
I can't.
Amakhosi. Yabona amakhosi. Kazi.
With
Sundowns.
Yeah.
Now amakhosi wethu lapha.
Yeah.
So tomorrow I'm just urging ama supporters we Orlando Pirates good guys. Umsebenzi lo sizenzela wona.
Yeah.
Angisho thina Sundowns sidlele nawe i-transfer ethelile.
Yes.
Whatever comes tomorrow, mina I'm ready for anything.
You are happy with it?
I'm just happy for everything. And then another thing.
Yeah.
People of South Africa, I think they must thank Orlando Pirates for being in the league.
Why?
Because of without Orlando Pirates, Sundowns was going to just take a walk over. Khona manje singathi siminus iOrlando Pirates league.
Sure.
Khona manje Sundowns sithethe league.
Yeah, VAR.
Even iKaizer Chiefs noma ingawina wonke ama-game asele angeke bakhethe iMamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah, mathematical.
iKaizer Chiefs ifana neGolf 7 enganathewu. Marayila. Akuna la iyakhona.
Yadubula kuphela.
Idubula kuphela ingahambi. So ifuna i-maintenance. Ifuna i-service.
Yeah, VAR.
And a fairer service.
Ngoba bayadubula
ngapha. Mara akuna la yakhona.
Yeah, VAR. No, I'm following.
Yeah, I'm just wanted to put this thing clear.
Every man for himself.
We don't want favors from you. even the Sundowns, eventually we don't want favors from you.
Yes.
So when I was forced,
And the Hasta bafuni leagues in
yeah, they are forcing themselves to Sundowns to fix like that's
Hey.
So what kind of a team is that? Tina Konama Bafana to Sagu World Cup.
Yeah.
And I thank you, Mr. McKenzie, for choosing me. Steven Yagu World Cup, Hortman Lam. Yagu World Cup. Mr. McKenzie, Yagu World Cup, Yagu Hortman Lam. Mbogana na wonga honta Wakati. By World Cup in. Nyukfar, Tiam. Nyamba World Cup in. Young Chola Pram, you represent Orlando Pirates represent South Africa. I'm very grateful for the opportunity to be. Man of the match, you see, we live in Hortman Lam.
Quality. Quality.
There is nothing more I can say about Swileville.
Quality.
I would like to thank Onkwama player on the Pirate Plan.
Yeah.
Whether illegal and I stand out saying I tata, whether Gwenzagalan. But I'm very brave to say that I love them all for the fighting spirit about Persona. Ne prevar about fine. Because without Orlando Pirates, the league is nothing.
Yeah,
Like it's a fact. No, it can't be, my brother. It can't be. You cannot compare Solomon's. No.
It's a different.
Mobi selling an iPhone.
Oh
it
yeah.
Funny.
That's fine.
As competitive.
An iPhone.
Yeah, Mobi selling an iPhone. Two different things. So
okay, so
tomorrow, Zabes Corner.
Billy go thing.
Yeah.
iPhone guy.
Kiss Solomon, no.
This is Solomon.
This is Solomon.
This is Solomon. This is Solomon. This is Willie Bill.
Quality
So
wise.
yeah, you cannot compare the two.
Okay, I feel that.
They are not the
How
same.
is Solomon?
They are not compatible.
Yeah, thank you, Chaga. Thank you, Chaga.
So ngicela ukuyivala Hortman Lam.
Yeah.
Amakhosikazi
Yeah.
we-Sundowns.
Yeah.
Ngicela ukuthi asanidlaleni ibhola enidlalayo.
Yeah.
Whether na winner, whether na loser, whether i-draw.
What? Yeah.
Mina angeni lapho.
Yeah.
I-result elinye eliphumayo.
You are happy.
I will take it.
Yeah,
I will take the result.
Yeah.
But the result mina ngiyifunayo.
Yeah.
If they can, if maybe they can get the draw tomorrow. For me,
Okay.
yeah, for me now. Yeah, but I don't need any favors from Olam to Amankoskas.
Yeah.
I don't need any favors.
Yeah.
Now, whenever Talama tries to any favor.
Because what's a kumbuza?
No, my brother. No, fella, you must remember, a so-called big team.
Yeah.
A so-called big team.
Yeah.
Ejabulela ukudroya.
Yeah.
Ama-sponsor ayabaleka phela. Omunye nomunye vele udlala ilibhetshe lakhe, Brian.
Yeah.
Yangithola.
Lova.
Orlando Pirates is doing well.
Yeah.
Maybe the is doing well.
Yes.
They are bragging about their own brand. Not we are bragging about our own brand.
Yeah.
So what about them? So ngicela ukuyivala.
Hayi, no. Ivala ngevala.